Hey, it's Angeline here. I have another scrappy video with Unity Stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to create a mixed media vintage Christmas card. So first, I've already stamped this sentiment by Ann Butler, which is from her kit called More Sparkle, Less Stress. And I'm grabbing some supplies here from my stash, some frames, some Prima flowers, Holtz collage papers, some collage medium and some shiny paint, and also a brush. So at this point of time I had no idea what I was going to do, but I just grabbed some supplies and just went along with it. So sometimes you may be like that and you don't know what you're going to do on the card, so just grab all your supplies and you'll be surprised how the ideas can flow. So I'm getting the collage medium here as the base to adhere my collage paper. So you can also of course use regular glue or any adhesive that you have. So once the glue is on your card, just put your collage paper right onto your card and smoothen everything out and just trim off the excess of the edges. Next, I'm grabbing the Extreme Sheen Metallic Paint by Decoart here and just painting my frame. You could do as many layers as you want until you're satisfied with the color. So for the sentiment, I've already adhered it to the frame, so it kind of looks like a picture frame but a word frame instead. So I've also put some adhesive right at the back of the frame. I'm using some red tape here by Rangers so that it will stick really well onto my card. Then it's time to just add more metallic paint around my card so that it kind of grounds the frame to the card, if that makes any sense. Then I'm grabbing some mixed media adhesive here to adhere the Prima flowers to my card. I'm also grabbing my nuvo glitter drops here to add more bling to the card because it is a Christmas card, and why not add some more bling. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this mixed media vintage card and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.